I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Streets love, baby.
Ginisang sardinas with egg, with itlog. Hello guys, welcome to Jesus Kitchen, welcome to my vlog. Ito ang aking easy breakfast guys, no? Ginisang sardinas with egg or AGG. Sarap ng amoy guys, no? Please like and share sa aking channel, Jesus Kitchen. Ayan guys, luto na. Napakadali lang lutuin guys, no? Ito ay nakakamiss na food guys. Lalong lalo na kung nasa ibang bansa guys, no? Hanapin ito. Hey, hey, hey! A blessed day to everyone guys. Tara na guys, kain na tayo. Ito na po guys ang ating itlog with sardinas. Medyo mangang siya kunti guys, pero masarap to pang breakfast guys. I-match natin sa ating loaf bread. Yan. Mainit pa guys, umuusok pa ang ating sardinas with egg. Salamat sa inyong panonood guys sa aking video. God bless.